How do you make the world's best seed? It's a family secret. The best kept secret in the seed industry. Our goal at Top Notch Seed is to create the world's most elite varieties, proprietary to our brand. Our motto is Farmer First. We support our farmers from seed to sale. We represent 100 plus years of family farming history and tradition. From Italy to California's Imperial Valley, Top Notch is your partner from seed to sale, specializing in agri-intelligence solutions, custom seed production, and logistics solutions for all your seed supply and distribution needs. We produce high-yielding alfalfa seed, Bermuda, Sudan grass, as well as many others. We service and ship to global brands around the world in the Americas, the Middle East, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Our family secret is based upon strong roots. Roots to our local farming community, roots to our best-in-class seed, roots to our world-class global clients. 100 plus years of innovation rooted in experience. From seed to sale, we have the most trustworthy team in the industry. Planted, harvested, conditioned, packaged, and shipped. We do it all. The only seed to sale genetic supplier with complete vertical integration. Remember, when you're looking for seed, look for strong roots. With 100 plus years of growth and partnerships with Imperial Valley farmers, at Top Notch Seed, our roots run deep.